Okay, so we will start to solve the question right now. So in question 8, they says that the value of fx equals to ax squared plus bx plus c is 0 when x equals to 1. So from this, they want to say that when x equals to 1, so we can just put f of here like this equals to b negative 1 and plus c equals to 0. And then they also states that f2 minus f1 equals to 11 and f3 minus f2 equals to 15. So they want to find the value of a plus b plus c. So from here we can find all the equations that they give you. So we have that f negative 1 equals to 0, f2 minus f1 equals to 11, and f3 minus f2 equals to 15. So from here, they also told you that fx over here is ax squared plus bx plus c. So we can just substitute x in the equation. So you'll get for the first one you'll get a minus b plus c equals to 0. Second one, you need to plug in 2 and 1 at the x. So you'll get 4a plus 2b plus c minus a plus b plus c equals to 0 equals to 11. And for the last one, you'll get 9a plus 3b plus c minus 4a plus 2b plus c equals to 15. Then you can simplify it. You'll get a minus b plus c equals to 0, 3a plus b equals to 11, and 5a plus b equals to 15. So from here, you can see you can like tăng số mấy k 11 chia thành số mấy k thứ 1 số mấy k thứ 2 số mấy k thứ 7. So from here you can take the second equation and the third equation to find a and b. So like here from second equation and third equation you'll get 3a plus b equals to 11 and 5a plus b equals to 15. So you can solve it using simultaneous equation by like elimination method. So you can take the third equation minus the second equation. You'll get 2a equals to 4, where a equals to 2. Then you can take a equals to 2, substitute into the second equation. You'll get, hold on. Then you'll get 3 plus b equals to 11. Then you'll get b equals to 5. So from question 3 to equation 2 and 3, you'll get a equals to 2 and b equals to 5. So you can substitute a and b into the first equation. Substitute a equals to 2 and b equals to 5 into the first equation. You'll get 2 minus 5 plus c equals to 0. Then you'll get c equals to 3. So from here, you get the value of a, b, and c. So you can find what the question asks us, which is a plus b plus c. So a plus b plus c equals to 2 plus 5 plus 3 equals to 10. And among all the choices, there's no 10. So for question
None.
8, the answer is E. So is there any question or anything else?
Okay.
There's someone who wants me to explain it in Khmer. So is there any other question that like other people wants to ask or no? If no, then I'll just uh explain it in Khmer instead.
Can you speak my language?
Yes. Okay, so since there's no question, I will explain this in Khmer for one of the students. So here អញ្ចឹងគេឲ្យសមីការ f នៃ x ស្មើជាមួយនឹង ax ការ៉េបូក bx បូក c អញ្ចឹងហើយទៅគេក៏ប្រាប់ថាសមីការហ្នឹងនៅពេលដែល x ស្មើដក1សមីការស្មើ0អញ្ចឹងយើងអាចសរសេរថា f ដក1ស្មើ0កន្លែងទី1នេះហើយគេក៏ប្រាប់ថាពេលសមីការហ្នឹងពេល x ស្មើ2ដកជាមួយនឹងពេលដែល x ស្មើ1អញ្ចឹងចម្លើយវាបាន11ហើយចុងក្រោយដូចគ្នាគឺចម្លើយវាស្មើ15ចឹងពេលហ្នឹងមកយើងអាចជួសជុលយកហ្មងដូចថាសមីការគេប្រាប់ហើយថាតម្រងវាគឺ ax ការ៉េបូក bx បូក c ដូចខាងលើនេះគេប្រាប់ចឹងអូនឯងអាចជួសដក1ចូលកន្លែង x ចឹងតាមសមីការទី1យើងបានប៉ុណ្នេះគឺ a ដក b បូក c ស្មើ0 4សមីការទី2គឺ 4b បូក 2b 4a បូក 2b បូក c ដក abc ស្មើ11ហើយចុងក្រោយគឺបានស្មើ15បន្ទាប់មកយើងអាចសម្រួលវាយើងបានតាមដូចសមីការប្រព័ន្ធសមីការខាងនេះហើយយើងមើលនៅសមីការទី2ទី3សមីការទី2ទី3គឺវាមានជាប់ a និង b អញ្ចឹងយើងអាចយកសមីការពីរហ្នឹងដើម្បីដោះស្រាយរក a និង b តាមវិធីបំបត្តិបូកបំបត្តិគឺយើងធ្វើតាមរបៀបខាងក្រោមនេះហើយយើងនឹងបាន a ស្មើជាមួយនឹង2ហើយ b ស្មើជាមួយនឹង5បន្ទាប់ពីយើងរកបាន a និង b ហើយយើងជួស a ជួស a និង b ចូលសមីការទី1យើងអាចរក c បានដែល c ស្មើជាមួយនឹង3ហើយយើងមើលតាមប្រធានយើងវិញគឺគេសួរថា a បូក b បូក c ស្មើប៉ុន្មានអញ្ចឹងយើងដឹងតម្លៃ a b c ហើយអស់យើងត្រូវជួសចូលក្នុងនឹងតាមដែលដូចប្រធានគេសួរយើងទៅគឺយើងបាន a បូក b បូក c ស្មើជាមួយនឹង2បូក5បូក3ស្មើជាមួយនឹង10ហើយយើងមើលក្នុងជម្រើសចម្លើយទាំងអស់ដែលយើងឃើញថាវាអត់មានជម្រើសចម្លើយណាដែលថាស្មើ10ទេអញ្ចឹងវាមានតែដែលចម្លើយហ្នឹងគឺមានន័យថាវាចម្លើយហ្នឹងគឺអត់នៅក្នុងជម្រើសខាងលើ So if there's no any question I will move on okay and so for question 9 I will give everyone a bit to solve this question we will solve this together thank you
Please spend please spend my language because
hello នរអាចថាចូលក្នុង chat ឲ្យថាបាត់បងបានទីអូនសាប់បងសាប់បងឯងអត់តន់ទេ
nó thôi ông mới đâu chắc vậy cho lon trên cả phong mà
thì chẳng nhưng đâu mongបានពេលឆ្នៃហើយចឹងយើងនឹងចាប់ផ្ដើមដោះស្រាយលំហាត់នឹងតែម្ដងចឹងដោយសារតែមានអ្នកខ្លះគេសំណូមពរឲ្យអាចមករៀនជាភាសាខ្មែរចឹងអឺខ្ញុំនឹងបរៀនទាំងពីរភាសាចឹងដំបូងខ្ញុំនឹងបញ្ចូលជាភាសាខ្មែរសិនហើយបន្ទាប់មកខ្ញុំនឹងបញ្ចូលជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសវិញចឹងចំពោះសំណួរទី9គេចង់សួរថាតើលេខបន្ទាប់នៅក្នុង suite ខាងក្រោមហ្នឹងគឺជាអ្វីចឹងដំបូងយើងត្រូវមើលរគេថាពីតួទី1និងតួមួយទៀតវាខុសគ្នាមិនចឹងតាមយើងមើលទៅគឺ37ស្មើជាមួយការ៉េបូក6ការ៉េដែល1ការ៉េមួយ6ការ៉េហ្នឹងគឺជាអឺតួមុន37ហ្នឹងដែលតួនីមួយៗរបស់វាលើជាការ៉េចឹងយើងអាចសន្មតថាតួបន្ទាប់នៃ switch ហ្នឹងស្មើជាមួយនឹងផលបូកនៃការ៉េតួនីមួយការ៉េខ្ទង់នីមួយៗនៃតួមុនរបស់វាអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចបញ្ជាក់បានដែរថាឥឡូវមើលទៅយើងអាចបញ្ជាក់58អញ្ចឹង58ស្មើជាមួយនឹង7ការ៉េបូក3ការ៉េអត់ដែលស្មើជាមួយនឹង49បូក9ស្មើជាមួយនឹង58ប៉ិតអញ្ចឹងយើងក៏អាចធ្វើចំពោះផ្សេងដែរគឺ89ស្មើជាមួយនឹង5ការ៉េបូក8ការ៉េ145ស្មើជាមួយនឹង8ការ៉េបូក9ការ៉េហើយ42ស្មើជាមួយនឹង1ការ៉េបូក4ការ៉េបូក5ការ៉េអញ្ចឹងតួបន្ទាប់ដែលយើងត្រូវរកហ្នឹងគឺយើងតាមឧទាហរណ៍យើងតាមវាដែល n អញ្ចឹង n ហ្នឹងស្មើជាមួយនឹងតួមុន n គឺ42ហ្នឹងដែលខ្ទង់នីមួយៗរបស់វាលើជាការ៉េហើយយើងយកវាបូកគ្នាអញ្ចឹងយើងបាន n ស្មើជាមួយនឹង4ការ៉េបូកឲ្យ2ការ៉េស្មើជាមួយនឹង16បូកឲ្យ4ស្មើជាមួយនឹង20ដែលយើងមើលតាមជម្រើសដែលគេឲ្យគឺ20គឺជាចម្លើយ A អញ្ចឹងក្នុងចំពោះលំហាត់នេះគឺចម្លើយវាស្មើ A 20អញ្ចឹងមានសំណួរអីបើថាអត់ទេខ្ញុំនឹងបញ្ចូលជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសវិញ
can you spell again
បាទបងចង់ឲ្យបងបញ្ចូលជាភាសាខ្មែរក៏ភាសាអង់គ្លេស
ខេបង
ចឹងឥឡូវអនឡាញមើលថាឥឡូវមើលក្នុង switch ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងគេប្រាប់ថាមាន16 37អញ្ចឹងអនឡាញមើលតួទី2មើលគឺ37ហើយដើម្បីរកតួបន្ទាប់បានយើងត្រូវរកថារក pattern របស់វាដូចថាក្នុងពីតួទី1ទៅតួមួយទៀតតួទី1ទៅតួទី2ឬក៏តួទី2ទៅតួទី3ហ្នឹងវាមានអីដូចគ្នាអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចមើលឃើញថា37ហ្នឹងវាស្មើជាមួយនឹង1ការ៉េបូក6ការ៉េដែល1ការ៉េមួយ6ការ៉េហ្នឹងគឺជាខ្ទង់នៃតួមុន37ហ្នឹងគឺ16អញ្ចឹងយើងអាចសន្មតថាតួបន្ទាប់នៃ switch ហ្នឹងស្មើជាមួយនឹងផលបូកការ៉េនៃខ្ទង់នីមួយៗនៃតួពីមុនរបស់វាដូច37អញ្ចឹងស្មើជាមួយនឹង1ការ៉េបូកឲ្យ6ការ៉េដែល1ការ៉េមួយ6ការ៉េ1និង6ហ្នឹងគឺជាតួមុន37អញ្ចឹង58ក៏ដូចគ្នាដែរ58ស្មើជាមួយនឹង3ការ៉េបូកឲ្យ7ការ៉េ3ការ៉េបូកឲ្យ7ការ៉េដែលវា3ហើយ7ហ្នឹងគឺ37ហើយតួមុន58អញ្ចឹង89ដូចគ្នា145ដូចគ្នាហើយ42ដូចគ្នាអញ្ចឹងបើយើងចង់រកតួបន្ទាប់ពី42អញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវយកផលបូកការ៉េនៃ42ខ្ទង់នីមួយៗនៃ42អញ្ចឹងយើងបាន4ការ៉េបូកឲ្យ2ការ៉េដែលស្មើជាមួយ16បូក4ស្មើជាមួយ20ដែលយើងមើលតាមចំនួនវាគឺជាចម្លើយ A យល់អត់ ហើយអញ្ចឹងសន្មតថាមានសំណួរយើងនឹងបងនឹងបញ្ចូលជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសវិញ
got it Say
Okay, so to
take
find the next term in the sequence, you need to know like the pattern between each of the terms. So from this, you can see that for like the second term, 37. 37 equals to 6 squared plus 1 squared, or let me just write it the correct way, which is 1 squared plus with 6 squared, where 1 and 6 is the term before 37. So from this, we can say that 37 equals to the sum of squares of digits of the previous number. So to prove this, you can just do it for 58 and 89. So 58 should be equals to 3 squared plus 7 squared or not, which is equals to 9 plus with 49 equals to 58. 89 equals to 5 squared plus 8 squared equals to 25 plus 64 equals to 89. So from this two term, we can say that it's true. So you can assume for everything that it's true also. So 145 equals to 8 squared plus 9 squared. 42 equals to 1 squared plus 4 squared plus 5 squared. So to find the next term, you need to get the sum of squares of digit of 42, which is the term before the term that we are finding. So let's say the next term is n. So n equals to 4 squared, which is this digit, plus with 2 squared, which is the next digit. So you'll get 16 plus 4, which is equals to 20. So if you look at the choices, you can see that 20 is A. So the answer is A, 20. So is there any questions or no? If there's no question, we will move on to the next question.
okay, it's very good.
Okay, so I assume there's no question. We will move on to the next question. I'll give everyone a moment to solve this. So good luck. Okay, everyone, so we will solve this question now. So is there anyone who's gonna volunteer to read it for us? Please raise your hand. Okay, Jing Ye, you can read it for us.
Question 10. There is one counterfeit coin among 2019 identical coins. The genuine coins have the same weight while the counterfeit coin is lighter. Anyone should determine the counterfeit coin using a balance scale. There are no restrictions to the number of coins on the pants each time. What is the least number of weights needed to find the counterfeit coin?
Okay, so do you have any idea on how to solve that question? Would you like to share it to everyone?
Um, me?
Sorry?
Are you asking me?
Sorry?
I don't know, sorry.
Oh, okay, so for this question, it's a bit different from other questions. So for this, we need to use a new strategy, which is divide and conquer strategy. So 2019 coins, we will divide it into 3 or 2, and then you can weight like each of the part. So example 2019, you will divide it into 2. So you'll get one will be 19 8, and one more is 10 10. So you can weight the 10 9 and the 10 10. So you will see that which one is lighter. Example, weight of the 1009 coin is less than weight of 1000 coin. 1010 coin. So you will know that the counterfeit coin, which they said it's a counterfeit coin is lighter than the genuine coins. So which part that is less, then you will know which that that coin that coin is the counterfeit coin. But then you can see in this scale that one part is 1009 and one part is 1010. So for this, you can just remove one from the 1010. Sorry, the sharing screen got disconnected. Okay, so first you can just remove one coin from the 1010. You'll get the weight of 1009 and 1009. So you will know that one of them is gonna be uh less lighter than the other one. So example, this one is lighter than the other one. So you can say that the counterfeit coin is among the 1009. And then you can do the same thing again and again. You will divide it to 2. And then example, you get this one is lighter than the other one. So you can divide it again and again and again. So when you do it until the end, you will find that you have to weight it 7 times to find the counterfeit coin. So the answer is A. It's like a strategy. So there's no exact solution or something like that to these type of questions. So this is a strategy that you might need to know during the exam in case in case that same question shows up again. So yeah, this is like a new strategy tool for everyone. You can try to learn it more by practicing that problem. Or you can divide, like example, the 2019, you can divide it into 2 or 3, up to you. But then if you divide it into 2, it's like more faster and more efficient. But if you divide it to 3, it's also good. You will know too. So is there any questions? If no, we will move to the next one. Okay, so like I said again, in this question, it's like more of a strategy rather than the actual solution itself. So the strategy on doing this is you need to divide. Let's example, they gave you 2019 coins. So in 2019, there is one counterfeit coins or more. I'm not so sure, but in the questions. But then you can just assume there's only one. So from this, you need to divide the 2019 into 2 or 3, up to you. Okay. So if you divide this into 3, you can just divide 2019 divided by 3. You'll get each one. How much that you get. So when you weight, like example, for me, I divide it to 2, and like for the coins that is 10-10, I just take one out, because yeah, it's like a low chance of it being the counterfeit coin too. So if you take that 2 packs of coin and you weight it together, and then example, you can see that the first one weights lighter than the second one. So you can assume that the counterfeit coin is in the first batch, not the second batch. So in the first batch, you can divide it to 2 again. Then you'll get let's say this is 504 and this is 505. In 505, you can just take one out and then you can do the same thing divided by 2, and then you can do it again and again and again. And if by doing this way, you will need to do 7 times to find the counterfeit coins. So the answer is A. And like I said again, this is a strategy, not an actual solution. So for different numbers, example, if this year it shows it again, so it's gonna be 2025, you will need to do it like that in that strategy, and the answer is gonna be different. So like I said again, it's a strategy where you just divide the coins into 2s and weight it one batch and one batch, and you will see which one is more than which one. And you have to do it like 7 times to get the exact counterfeit coins. So is there any questions? If no, then we will move on. Okay, so we will move to the next question. I'll give everyone a moment to answer this, so good luck. Okay, so I suppose everyone got enough time to solve this question. So who want to read this question? Please raise your hand. Okay, Manfred, you can read the question.
How many 4-digit numbers have digit 1 but not digit 2 among its digits?
So do you have any ideas on solving this question, or like would like to share to everyone?
We count.
Yeah, we will come with like, do you have like any other like strategies to find it more faster? Yeah, so I suppose there's also like, is there anyone else who would like to share your thoughts on this question or not? Please raise your hand. Okay, so I suppose there's nothing, so we will start to answer this question. So first, we need to find the total number of 4 digits number. So 4 digits number, which is, let's say, you get 4 blanks like this. So numbers that you can put in, which is 0 to 9, which are a total of 10 digits. But like in the first place, you cannot put 0, because if you put 0, it's going to be a 3-digit number. So from this, you can put only 9 digits, that 10, 10, and 10. So total number of 4 digits number, which is 9 times 10 times 10 times 10, you'll get 90. And then you need to find total like number of digits with no digits 2 in all of the 4 places. So the first place, from 1 to 9, you got 9 digits there. So you need to remove 1, which is the 2. So you from there you will only have like okay, I write it again. All 4 digits and without 2. So from the first place, you will get 8 possible numbers, which is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And second place, you get 9, 9, and 9, which is 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from this, the total number, which is 5,832. So from this, you can conclude that the number that contains digit 2 inside is 9,000 minus 5,832, which is equals to 3,168, which is the 4-digit number with digit 2. Okay, so again we need to find one more, which is the total number of 4 digits number that do not contain digit 1 and digit 2. So without 1 and 2, for the first place, you will get 7 possible options. Second place, you get 8, 8, and 8. So in total, you will have a total of 5,384 numbers that do not contain digit 1 and 2 in all of its 4 digits. So from this, we can also conclude that the number that has digit 1 and 2, like 4-digit number that has digit 1 and 2 inside, is the total number, which is all 4 digits minus with the digit like number without 1 and 2, which is 9,000 minus 3,584, which is 5,416. So from here we can, like, from this, from this and this, we can find the number of 4 digits that contain digit 1 but not digit 2. So you will just need to take the number with digit 1 and 2 minus the number with only digit 2. So you will get this number minus with the, or like the bottom minus the top. So you'll get 5,416 minus 3,168. So the answer is gonna be 2,248, which is A. Oh, for like okay, so 4-digit number possible is not 9,999 because you do not count the number 1 to 999. This is like only 4 digits number. So the total is 9,000 without the hundreds and the tens and the ones. So there's a total of 9,000. So is there any questions? Please, you can put it in the chat. Okay, so I will explain this in Khmer for some students. Okay, so ក្នុងសំណួរនេះគឺចង់រកលេខ4ខ្ទង់ដែលមានលេខ1ប៉ុន្តែអត់លេខ2អញ្ចឹង ចឹងដើម្បីរកលេខហ្នឹងបានយើងត្រូវរកលេខដំបូងដែលថាលេខ4ខ្ទង់ដែលថាមានលេខ1និងលេខ2ដកជាមួយនឹងលេខដែលថាមានលេខ2សុទ្ធយល់អត់ចឹងដូចថាដូចលេខ9 1 2 3ត្រូវដកជាមួយនឹងលេខដែលថាមានតែលេខ2សុទ្ធដូចជា9 ដូចថា2 3ចឹងទៅអញ្ចឹងវាមានក្នុងហ្នឹងស្រាប់ទេត្រូវដកលេខហ្នឹងចេញពីក្នុងចំណោមទាំងអស់អញ្ចឹងដំបូងយើងត្រូវរកចំនួននៃ4ខ្ទង់សរុបសិនគឺយើងបាន9000ដោយតែរកនៅខាងលើនេះគឺដោយសារតែខ្ទង់ទី1យើងអាចដាក់0បានទេអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ខ្ទង់ទី1យើងមាន9ខ្ទង់ទី2ទី3ទី4យើងអាចដាក់10អញ្ចឹងយើងបានយើងយកវាគុណសរុបមកយើងបាន9000លេខដែលថាវាមាន4ខ្ទង់បន្ទាប់មកយើងត្រូវរកលេខដែលថាវាអត់មានលេខ2ដោយថាខ្ទង់ទី1អត់មានលេខ2ខ្ទង់ទី2អត់មានលេខ2ខ្ទង់ទី3អត់មានលេខ2ខ្ទង់ទី4អត់មានលេខ2អញ្ចឹងយើងបានខ្ទង់ទី1គឺមាន8លេខដែលយើងអាចដាក់ចូលបានទី2ទី3ទី4វាមាន9ដែលយើងគុណចូលគ្នាទៅយើងបាន5000 5832លេខដែលថាវាអត់មានលេខ2បន្ទាប់មកយើងត្រូវរកលេខដែលថាមានលេខ2ដូចតែបងបាននិយាយខាងលើហ្នឹងយើងត្រូវយកលេខដែលថាមានលេខ1លេខ2ដកជាមួយលេខដែលថាមានលេខ2សុទ្ធអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវរកលេខដែលមានលេខ2សុទ្ធគឺយើងត្រូវយក9000ដកជាមួយនឹង5832ស្មើជាមួយនឹង3600ដោយដែលយើងរកកន្លែងនេះអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចតាំងអាហ្នឹងជាលេខ4ខ្ទង់មានលេខ2បន្ទាប់មកយើងក៏ត្រូវរកមួយទៀតដែរគឺលេខដែលថាវាអត់មានលេខ1និងលេខ2គឺបើអត់មានលេខ1លេខ2ចឹងនៅក្នុងដំបូងយើងវាមាន9សរុបដក1ដក2ចេញវានៅសល់7លេខដែលថាយើងអាចដាក់នៅក្នុងទី1បានទី2ទី3ទី4យើងអាចដាក់8អញ្ចឹងយើងគុណចូលគ្នាទៅយើងបាន3584លេខសរុបដែលថាវាអត់មានលេខ1និងលេខ2បន្ទាប់មកយើងត្រូវរកលេខសំដៅរកលេខដែលថាវាមានលេខ1និងលេខ2នៅខាងក្នុងដែលយើងត្រូវយកចំនួនសរុបដកជាមួយលេខដែលថាអត់មានលេខ1លេខ2ចេញដើម្បីរកលេខដែលមានលេខ1លេខ2វិញអញ្ចឹងយើងយក9000ដូចដែលយើងរកនៅខាងលើនេះដកជាមួយនឹង3884យើងនៅសល់5416លេខដែលថាលេខហ្នឹងវាមានលេខ1ផងលេខ2ផងនៅក្នុងហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងតាមវិធីដែលគេទៅរកគឺគេរកលេខដែលថាវាមានលេខ1តែអត់លេខ2អញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវរកអញ្ចឹងដើម្បីរកលេខហ្នឹងបានយើងត្រូវរកលេខដែលថាមានលេខ1លេខ2ទាំងពីរហ្នឹងដកជាមួយនឹងលេខដែលថាមានលេខ2មានតែលេខ2ឯងអញ្ចឹងយើងបានដូចយើងរកខាងក្រោមនេះគឺ5416ដកជាមួយនឹង3168អញ្ចឹងចម្លើយវាគឺបាន2248ដែលជាចម្លើយ A អញ្ចឹងអាណាគេមានសំណួរអាចសួរទៀតបានបើអត់ទេយើងអាចទៅសំណួរមួយទៀត from without two. Okay, so here we need to find the without two. To paying like when you find the without two, you can take the total digits minus the total number minus the total number without the number two. Then you will get all the numbers that have number two, which is over here. You get 3868. Like the numbers that has number two inside it. And then you will need to find again the numbers without number 1 and 2. So without number 1 and 2, you will get a total of 3884. Then from that you can find the total numbers that have number 1 and number 2. So you can take like what I wrote down there, which is you'll get 5416. So like what the question asks, they ask about 4 digits number that has digit 1 but not 2. So to find that, you need to find the 4 digits number that has 1 and 2 minus with 4 digits number that has only 2. You can take the total number, which is 5416 minus with 3168. Then you will get 2248, which is A. Okay, so is there any other questions? If not, we will move on. No on you cannot find with number 2 សុទ្ធយកមកដោយសារតែ example លេខខ្លះដូចវាអាចសរសេរជា9 223 ឬក៏9 321អញ្ចឹងបើយើងរក direct ទៅក៏រកបានដែរ so like we cannot find directly the number with 2 only and 1 and 2 only, so you need to find in these steps. Okay, so is there any other questions? Okay, so I suppose there's no questions. We will move on to the next question, which is question 12. I will give everyone a moment to answer this question. Good luck. Okay, so a few minutes has passed. So is there anyone who's willing to answer the questions? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand if you want to answer read the question out for everyone. Okay, so Ji-Heng, can you read it for us?
So before I read, I'm the younger brother of Jiheng, aka Jiheng Jr. to read the question.
Please read it for us.
In the diagram, angle ABC is 90 degrees and DEFG is a square. If AE equals 4 and EF equals 6, find the area of quadrilateral of ACD.
Okay, thank you. So do you have any idea on solving this question? Anyone, do you have like any ideas on solving this question? Don't be shy, okay? It's okay. So, Vuti, you can explain it or give out your thoughts to everyone. Okay, so then it's all right. We will solve this question now. So, in the diagram, they said ABC equals to 90. So ABC, which is this angle, is equal to 90. DEFG is a square. And then AE, which is over here, equals to 4. EF equals to 6. So they let us find the area of quadrilateral ACGD. So first, it's given that DEFG is a square, so you'll get this angle is equal to 90, and this angle is also equals to 90. So from this, so like before you solve this question, you need to know, like you need to find a similar triangle. So we need to prove that triangle ADE similar to triangle GCF. So this is our main thing that we need to find. So from here, you can look at this angle ADE. So angle ADE equals to 180 minus angle DEA minus angle DAE. But angle DEA equals to 90 because like it's the same sign as a square, so you get that as 90. So you're left with 90 minus with angle DAE. So you can see that angle DAE over here. Angle DAE is also the same angle as angle BAC. So you can substitute BAC inside, you'll get 90 minus angle BAC. But then you can look at this. So in triangle, let's say cut it off a bit. So in triangle ABC, the sum of all angles, which is angle ABC plus angle BAC plus with angle BCA equals to 180. But then ABC equals to 90, so you'll get BAC plus with angle BCA equals to 90. Then you can move BAC to the right side, so you'll get angle BCA equals to 90 minus angle BAC. So from here, equals to this one. So you can say that angle ADE also equals to angle BCA. So which is this angle? So angle BCA is also the same as angle GCF, this angle. So angle BCA equals to angle GCF because it's the same angle. So you can say that ADE equals to angle GCF. So from the first thing we can say is that angle ADE equals to angle GCF. I'll keep it over here. So next one we need to find for angle this angle when so like angle DAE. You can say that angle DAE equals to 90 minus with angle ADE. But then from the first one that you find, you found that ADE equals to GCF. So you can substitute that in, so you'll get 90 minus angle GCF. And 90 minus angle GCF, which is over here, and this is a right angle. So 90 minus angle GCF, you'll get angle FGC. So from this, you can say that angle DAE equals to angle GCF. So from here, you get two things, which is important. So you get ADE equals to GCF, angle DAE equals to angle GCF. So from here, okay, I'll move this to the side. Okay, so from here, you can say that in angle ADE and angle GCF, you get this both up here. Okay, so ADE equals to angle GCF. So from this, you can, sorry, this is ADE and this is a triangle GCF. So we try to prove them both are similar. So you get two angles, which is this angle equals to this angle, and this angle equals to this angle. So from this, you can say that the two triangle, which is triangle ADE, is similar to triangle GCF by AA. So from the similar, like the similar, since both of them are similar, we can conclude that the sides, which is AE over DE, equals to GF over FC. So from here, we need to find FC, which is this one. So you'll get from here, I'll change color. From here, you'll get FC equals to DE times GF over AE. So from the things that they give you, DE equals to 6 times with GF, which is equals to also 6 over 4. So you'll get FC equals to 9. FC equals to 9. And this one equals to 6, and this one equals to 4. So from the figure, you can see that in the equilateral triangle, in the equilateral ACGD, you can see that it is a trapezoid, because a trapezoid because of AC is parallel to DG. So you can say that it is a trapezoid. So from the formula on finding the area of a trapezoid equals to 1 over 2 A plus B times with height, where height equals to DE equals to 6 times with 1 over 2 times with A. This one is equal to 6, and this one equals to 6 plus 4 plus 9, which is 19. So from here, you can get the area equals to 75, and 75 is B. So is there any questions? So for this question, I will rewrite the solution all over again, and I will send it into the group. So in case you need to check it again, I will send it later. So is there any questions that I need to answer or no? So I suppose there's no questions and our time is already running out. We can end the class today, and I will send you to the solution into the group later on. So thank you everyone for joining our class today. Enjoy your night. Thank you.
Rất là cool.
For the recording, I'm not so sure, but I am pretty sure that we might post it in the GC, but I will confirm it with everyone soon. Thank you. So thank you everyone. You can leave the Zoom. It is ended. Thank you. Enjoy your night. Goodbye.